Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see a detailed demo of how you can use this wet grinder for atta kneading. This is the wheat flour or the chapati flour, and this is the user manual from the Prestige Ultima Pro wet grinder. This is Prestige Ultima Pro wet grinder. So when I did the unboxing and how to use videos, many people asked me about how we can use this atta kneading extension to mix or to create a perfect dough, means chapati dough. So here won't do anything by myself, but I'll just read it and will follow the exact instructions what they given. Fix the atta kneading rod on the center shaft. So I need to remove this, yeah, and just as shown in the picture I need to place this right, okay, at the center, and I need to lock it with this lock. Okay, the second step is we need to add the flour and salt and switch on the machine. See here, till now there is no water. Add the flour and the salt and switch on the machine. Add a teaspoon of oil to avoid the sticking of this flour to the grinding. So I'll be just, they said maximum of 500 grams, which is half kilo, but I'm just I just took like 50 grams, then a pinch of salt. Right, now they directly asked me to switch on the machine. See here, switch on the machine. See, switch on the machine, add a teaspoon of oil. So okay, I just added a teaspoon of oil. Then I need to add the water slowly, okay, until the perfect consistency of dough what we require. So I'm just adding the water slowly. Don't pour the water all at once. As the dough is getting created, you need to add slowly. See, the dough is just in the process, okay. So I'll also mention how much time it took for the final dough making process is fully completed, okay. I'll get back to you. See here, it took like around 8 minutes, 7 to 8 minutes. The dough is perfectly prepared. Here a little bit of water is added, extra bit, so that's the reason this stickiness. Otherwise this has done perfectly good. So you need to collect and use, okay. Yeah, if you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments.